motivation is to tell it straight. So much on my plate, I gotta delegate. Vodka pass the drug, cause we gotta celebrate. I'm in.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, I am going to be showing y'all a week in my life. This week is kind of like my extended spring break, so I have a couple plans going on. Today's actually Tuesday, 12 o'clock something, and I'm going out. Let me show you the fit. Don't play with me. But anyways, like I said before, I'm going to be going out today, and I didn't start my vlog yesterday because I really didn't do much of the vaccine. So we're just going to get into this vlog. Please give this video a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn on post notifications because I will upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, let's into the video. Alright, so I came back from getting food. I went to Hunter House. If you don't know where that is in Michigan, it's in Birmingham. And then basically just chilled. We didn't do much. We didn't vlog that because I was out with friends. So I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, really today. I don't think we're gonna do much, anything else exciting. So yeah, but that should really be it today. Maybe I'll insert some pictures I'm gonna take today because I just look too good to waste an outfit. And yeah, that's basically what I did like in the last 2 hours. Alright, so I can vlog just a little bit. I'm off my phone now because my brother wants to take a walk. So we're gonna go take a walk for a little bit because, you know, walks is cool and all, but like, I'm really not feeling this walking vibe. Not today. Ouch. Not today. I just feel like I look too cute to be walking and sweating, you know? And I have my good jeans. I can be walking in those. So we're gonna do a little walkie walk today. And yeah, maybe I'll show y'all a little bit of the neighborhood because I bet people don't even know where I live. So yeah. Alright, so I really didn't give y'all a proper rundown of what I did today. Basically, I just went out on a little, I don't think it was a date. I think it was a get together maybe. I'm claiming it was, but I did that today. It was really cute. Got food, went to the park, and that was about it. Oh, and then I took a walk, but I did show you guys. And then when I came back home from my walk, I went to the store and then went over to my aunt's house to chill, got ice cream. And that's really about it. What is today? Tomorrow I do have something planned. I'm supposed to be going mini golfing and probably going out to like Michael's or something. Like nothing too exciting after mini golfing, but y'all, I'm trying to go mini golfing for like a long time now, so I'm like really excited to go because I've been saying I want to go mini golfing for a very long time. So I'm finally gonna be doing it, and I can't wait. I'm probably gonna give y'all maybe like clips or pictures of myself today because I was looking very cute. And really, other than that, like, that's it. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning tomorrow. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good people. Rise and shine. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, y'all. All right, Lisa babes. So today is a little bit of fun. I'm going mini golfing, and when I say I've been saying I want to go mini golfing for like the longest time, I'm finally gonna do it, and I'm not gonna wait any longer. For the people that live in Michigan, I'm going to the Royal Oak Center, like the golf center. I think it's off of 13 Mile. I'm trying to remember where it's at. I think it's off of 13 Mile. But that's where I'm gonna be going out with my friends today and mini golfing. I might hit up the mall today because I have to get some more stuff in my ears because I got them pierced. But really, other than that, that's all I'm gonna be doing today. Oh, I'm gonna make quiche. So if y'all want to see me bake and cook again, I'm gonna make a quiche. But yeah, that's really about it. It's like beautiful weather today. It's gonna be 81 in Detroit, and like this is perfect weather. Let me show y'all the fit, because y'all are not ready for how I'm coming this summer. Like this is pre-game summer right here. This is pre-game summer. I'm sorry, the lighting just got like really bad, but this is how I'm gonna be during the summer. A little sneak peek. We have the denim black shorts from Target. We have the like baby blue skies Easter egg blue shirt from Target. Right now we just have the bears on, but later I'm gonna put on my Vans. I have on my Ellisa necklace, but it's like very tiny. I have on my Ellisa necklace, and that's really about it. Ponytail still intact since 2 weeks ago. Yeah, get into the ponytail action. But that's what we're doing today. This is the fit, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the place. We have to make unplanned visits to Nordstrom's or to Somerset because I need to get some more earring stuff. So this is where we are. After today, I went to Wahlburger. We didn't vlog that, but the burger was smacking, y'all. And I vlogged it. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vlog in here either. But just so y'all know where I am, I'm gonna be in Nordstrom's or in the mall. Period. Shopping.
You better not get on these halves.
Alright, y'all, don't know what I was doing in the beginning. This is a little bit better than where I was at. But anyways, I didn't talk to you guys. I did do clips of bowling, but I didn't feel weirded out. I just felt like it was so quiet because there was only about 2 other groups in there. I didn't really like feel like bringing my camera, nor did I feel like vlogging in there. So I mean, it really wasn't too exciting because I can't bowl without the bumpers. So I mean, I did a pretty decent job. I did get points, but I'm not, you know, like no wee bowling player. I'm ass. But basically, yesterday I did that. Then went out to eat with my friends, and I went home and chilled. I was gonna bake a cake, and you guys will see the cake video when the cake is made. But that's what I did yesterday, and I know that I am terrible at this vlogging thing, and I apologize. I'm getting better. I'm gonna get better at it. Yeah. But today is kind of exciting. We're going to record a video with my friends, kind of like a overdue video. I might make this into a friend tag, but we're going to also getting makeup, and we're going to put on each other's makeup, and I'm sick of makeup, so you know, just great stuff. But I'm excited because I'm excited. So I am going to vlog today, y'all. I'm going to bring my camera in the store, vlog, period, like tripod, everything. And I'm going to show y'all going to Ulta, and I might not show you guys the makeup process because I'm trying to save that video for the makeup video. So just know that's what I'm doing today, and you guys will get clips and y'all will get content, and I love y'all. Hey y'all, so it's Victoria. You know, I'm about to become your favorite person. Oh crap, I'm not even in the camera. I'm about to become your favorite person for her channel. Like, you're gonna be like, why hasn't she had her on her channel like this whole time? Why is this her first time being here? Honestly, I want to know the same thing. But you know, right now we're at Ulta. I'm about to be her face. She's about to look good. You know, good. Hey y'all. Hey. You know, we just, oh wait. I stole her camera. It's okay. Okay, let's film.
You know, put it on their.
How you do this?
Bronzer, yeah. No, that'll be good too, because if you do like more bold, if you'll want like the other stuff to balance you out, so you don't feel stuck.
Okay, like what?
Yeah. And you can build this, so it's not gonna go on super.
Right. Stiff way.
You could do that.
This is the fella that I was talking about. I have this one.
That's a pretty one.
And that one and that one. I have all three of them. Anyway.
Okay, yeah, I can go for the loves.
Y'all, I'm a whole videographer.
She really is.